Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda Renee, and in this video I will be sharing with you the products that I love but will not repurchase. So if you're interested in hearing why I won't repurchase these products and what products I won't repurchase, keep on watching. So I got this video idea from a friend of mine. The video is no longer up, but it is still an inspiration for me. So what I will be doing is, just as I said, mentioning the products that I won't repurchase and why. So surprisingly enough, the first product that I won't repurchase is this curly curl cream from Talia Wajid. As the title suggests, I love the product. I really do like this product for its definition, but I won't repurchase it simply because it doesn't provide that much moisture for my hair, and I am looking for moisture and definition, so I will not be repurchasing that because of it. And it is a tad bit on the pricier side, so to buy this product for this price and not get moisture is a stretch for me, although there is a lot of definition. So I love this, but I will not be repurchasing it. The second product that I love but won't repurchase is the African Pride Moisture Miracle leave-in conditioner that I will put on the screen. Now, if you are an OG subscriber, you know how much I love African Pride Moisture Miracle, especially their curling cream. I, however, will not be repurchasing the leave-in conditioner just simply because I have found better alternatives that give my hair a little bit more definition and a lot more hold. So that is the only reason why I will not be purchasing it, but it is definitely a product recommendation if you are looking for a leave-in conditioner that will moisturize your hair on a budget. Going along the lines of the African Pride Moisture Miracle, the third product that I will not be repurchasing is their pre-shampoo, simply because I don't pre-poo anymore. That's really the only reason why I would not be repurchasing this product. But if you do believe in pre-poos, or if you're just starting out your natural hair journey and you're hearing about pre-poo for the very first time and you want to check out what it all entails, this product will definitely help you to pre-detangle your hair, or the pre-shampoo step before you wash your hair. It will definitely help you get out those tangles. So it is still a product recommendation for me because not only does it work well, but it is also budget friendly for those who don't like to spend that much money on hair products. This is a wonderful option if you want to save money. Going along the lines of pre-poos, the fourth product that I will not be repurchasing is the pre-poo from Dr. Miracles. And again, because I do not pre-poo my hair, I actually found that this pre-poo has a lot more slip than the African Pride Moisture Miracle. Still a great product if you want to pre-poo your hair. And even if I were pre-pooing my hair, I still wouldn't repurchase it, although I love the product, because I think that it stained my clothes based on the process of elimination that I did. That was the only conclusion that I came up with. But besides that, it is a great product that I still love and will still recommend. Just be careful with that product because it may stain your clothes, but I really do enjoy using that product. The fifth product that I love but won't repurchase is the hair paint wax from ORS, and I will put the one that I used on the screen. Now, I really enjoyed using this product because of the pigment that it gave my hair, and I will put the thumbnail on the screen so that you can check out that video that I did years ago. I absolutely enjoyed using that product. Again, the pigment and the definition that the wax gave my hair, I really enjoyed that. However, I will not be repurchasing it because I am not in that phase of wanting color in my hair. On top of that, the product can get messy, and I am looking for ways to simplify and enjoy my routine. So that is the only reason why I wouldn't necessarily repurchase it. However, I love the pigment and the definition that it gave me, and it was affordable, so I would definitely recommend it if you are looking for a temporary hair color that will wash out when you are ready to wash your hair. The sixth product that I love but won't repurchase is the detangling leave-in conditioner from the Camille Rose coconut milk line. I really loved the formula, but I won't repurchase it because I have found better leave-in conditioners that work a lot better for my hair, that keep my hair moisturized for a while. I may revisit it in the future, but as of right now, I will not be repurchasing it. And it is also on the pricier side, so I will not be repurchasing it just because it's on the pricier side, and I have found better products that work well for my hair, even from the same brand. So I wouldn't necessarily repurchase products from the coconut milk collection, but I will definitely be repurchasing things from the Camille Rose brand, which you will hear more about in my repurchase or not video for 2024. So look out for that video at the end of the year. The seventh product that I love but won't repurchase is the Moi Moisture Lightweight Hydration Shampoo. I absolutely loved how well it cleaned my hair. I would have mentioned my thoughts in the review that I did, that I will put up on the screen so that you can check it out afterwards. I really did enjoy how well it cleaned my hair, and I enjoyed how affordable it was. I just won't repurchase it because I have found more moisturizing shampoos. But if you are looking for an affordable shampoo that will clean your hair and give it some hydration, definitely check that shampoo out. Alrighty, so the eighth product that I love but won't repurchase is this cream from Flora and Curl. I know you may be surprised to see this on the list. I was surprised as well when I did my evaluation. I was actually surprised as well. I really do love this product. I really love the definition that it gives me, and I love how well it is able to be applied to my hair. I just won't repurchase it because one, you can't find this brand in the Caribbean, and two, I really have just found styling creams that work better for my hair For example, the Camille Rose Almond Joy Twisting Butter, I will say that, and the African Pride Moisture Miracle Curling Cream. So those are the two that I will choose for now. However, I really do adore this product. So if you do live in the UK or any other part of Europe and you have access to this, even if you have access to this in the US or any other country, Canada, or any other country, and you want to try it out, I would definitely recommend that you try it out, because it definitely a little goes a long way. I've had this for a little over a year and I'm just able to get through the container. So if you're looking for a product that will work well and that is affordable, where you don't have to use a lot of product, definitely check this out. But I just won't repurchase it because of the two reasons that I previously mentioned. The ninth product that I love but won't repurchase is this mousse from Alike Naturals. It's a surprise and it is definitely a shock to me as well. I really love the formula, how lightweight it is. It really doesn't leave my hands sticky whatsoever. However, when it comes to my mousses, I like mousses with just a little more hold, like the Mayal pomegranate and honey mousse, as well as my all-time favorite for now, the Do Mousse Def. Those are my top two for hold. However, if I'm ever in a phase where I don't mind frizz, where I don't mind a lot of frizz, I will definitely pick this up again. Not saying that this product gives me a lot of frizz as soon as I put it on my hair. Give it about a day or two before you start seeing the frizz. So that is probably why I won't pick it up again. However, it does have a nice formula. It smells great, and this was definitely affordable. So if you're looking for an affordable mousse, well, the last time I checked it was affordable. If you are looking for an affordable mousse and you don't necessarily care too much about a lot of hold, definitely check this mousse out. I will still recommend this mousse, but I just won't repurchase it at the present moment. However, I really do love this mousse. Alrighty, last but not least, the 10th product that I love but won't repurchase is one that I have used a few years ago that I will put the thumbnail on the screen for. And that is the Shea Moisture Purple Rice Water Shampoo. That was the only product that I loved from the line. I loved the texture of the shampoo. I loved how well it cleaned my hair. I loved the moisture that I got from the product. I love how my hair felt afterwards. However, the only two reasons why I wouldn't buy that product again is one, the rice water, because that is protein and my hair doesn't necessarily need a lot of protein, and using it on a regular basis along with the other rice water products from the collection led it to my hair feeling straw-like, and it left my roots extremely tangled, and I absolutely hated that. But that is the only reason, on top of which it is on the pricier end of the spectrum, so that's the other reason why I wouldn't necessarily repurchase the product. However, if I do need a little more protein in my hair, I will just go for that shampoo. I wouldn't pick up the deep conditioner or the conditioner, because again, through my process of elimination, I found that all three products, using it as directed on the bottles once a week, made my hair extremely dry and straw-like, and I really didn't like that. But as I said, the only product that I did love from the collection was the shampoo. So although I love it, I won't repurchase it because it is filled with protein, because it has rice water in it, purple rice water at that, and that has tons of protein in it, and also because it is on the pricier end. But yes, guys, those are the products that I love but won't repurchase. If you liked this video, definitely leave a like, and if you want to see more content from me, subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me, and share this video with someone who is interested in hearing about other natural hair products, if they're interested in purchasing it or not, based on my review of the products, or my mini review of the products in this video. Definitely send this one to them, and while you're at it, check out videos that will pop up on your screen if you're interested in seeing more content from me, and I will see you in my next one, which will be coming next week, so stay tuned for that. Bye.